Welcome back, superhumans. Today's mission is crucial. Many store their passwords in web browsers for convenience, but this can be a risky move. Hackers are always looking for ways to steal your credentials. Let's fortify our defenses and keep our passwords safe. Saving passwords in your browser might seem convenient, but if malware or a hacker gains access to your device, they can steal all your stored credentials in seconds. Step 1. Use a dedicated password manager. Unlike browsers, they encrypt and protect your credentials, ensuring only you can access them. Step 2. Disable password storage in your browser. This prevents attackers from extracting saved credentials if your device is compromised. Step 3. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Even if someone steals your password, they won't be able to access your accounts without the second layer of security. Stay vigilant. Monitor your accounts for suspicious activity, update passwords regularly, and never reuse them. By using password managers, disabling browser autosave, and enabling MFA, you've built an unbreakable defense against cyber threats. Stay smart, stay secure, and keep the digital world safe.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.